Hello, my name is Natalia. I'm from Ukraine. It's my first experience of working with Screencast-O-Matic. Poodll is also quite new for me. So let's try. Here we can see add a new discussion topic. Let's click on it. And let's go into this subject. Okay, so it would be Natasha. And in the message part, we can type everything we want to. So here you can see a variety of tools. So let's try some of them today. Here we can record an audio. Let's try it. That's the record button. Okay, hello. Can everybody hear me well? Stop. And then upload. And then insert, and we can see our MP3 file here. So the same thing can be done with video recording. Sorry for possible noise, my camera is not very good. We can record it. Hello. And stop and upload as well. And insert, and the MP4 file with our video is over here. The next thing to try today is draw a picture icon. Let's draw the picture today. We can change some things here. For example, let's make it yellow and let it be the sun, because it's winter in Ukraine and it's rather cold. That's it. We can save the picture and insert it. So here it is. And one more thing to try today is taking a picture. Okay, let's click. Okay, that's it. And upload. And insert. So that's the picture. Don't forget to post it to forums so everybody can see it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.